Welcome to What's New in O-Gauge, our weekly look at new products for our 3-rail layouts, libraries, and train rooms. This week we have new product announcements from MTH trains and more. See the video description for more information about each of the following products. Coming soon from Amberley Publishing is Railroads Around Chicago by Mike Danneman. A dizzying array of rail lines radiate out from Chicago, serving as vital gateways for goods from the Midwest to the rest of the nation and the world. An amazing variety of railroads also interchange huge amounts of tonnage at many yards surrounding the city. Amtrak uses Chicago as its national hub, and Metra commuter trains convey over 250,000 people from home to work and back on weekdays. On average, over 500 freight trains and 700 passenger trains travel through Chicago every day. This colorful 96-page tour, lavishly illustrated with Mike Danneman's stunning photographs of Chicagoland, offers highlights of the exciting Midwestern city. Follow the link in the video description to pre-order. MTH Parts and Sales is moving to a new facility. They have outgrown their current space and will be moving during the month of June 2024, and during this time they will be unable to accept and fulfill orders. MTH Electric Trains has announced an exclusive Rail King O-Gauge Imperial SD70 Ace diesel locomotive in EMD demonstrator colors for Easy Catch and Dixie Union Station. The locomotive will be available in extremely limited quantities beginning in July 2024. The early order price is $399.99. MTH Electric Trains has announced an exclusive Premier O-Scale 462 P47 Baldwin Pacific steam engine in classic U.S. Army colors for Patrick's trains. The locomotives will be available in extremely limited quantities beginning in July 2024. The early order price is $1229.99 plus freight. MTH Electric Trains will be releasing the 2024 Rail King O-Gauge boxcar with power meter in 6 different schemes late this summer. Schemes include Pennsylvania Power and Light, Great Lakes Power and Light, Northeast Power and Light, Santa Fe Power and Light, Transylvania, and North Pole Power and Light. Each of these offerings is expected to begin shipping to MTH authorized retailers in August 2024. The suggested retail price is $84.95 each. MTH Electric Trains has announced an exclusive Premier O-Scale 4-car Coke hopper set in Norfolk and Western colors for exclusive distribution by the Train Loft. The Coke hopper set will be available for delivery beginning in June 2024. The pre-order price is $319.95. MTH Electric Trains has announced an exclusive Rail King O-Gauge Imperial ES44 diesel locomotive in Conrail CSX Heritage colors for exclusive distribution by Easy Catch and Dixie Union Station. The locomotive will be available in extremely limited quantities beginning in August 2024. The early order price is $399.99. MTH Electric Trains will be producing 2 Canadian National Heritage SD70 Ace locomotives, one in Grand Trunk Heritage colors, and one in Illinois Central Heritage colors for Berwyn's Toys and Trains. Each of the models is expected to arrive in late 2024 and will operate on O31 minimum curves. The early order price is $389.99 each. Coming soon from Ohio University Press is the Hocking Valley Railway by Edward H. Miller. This 320-page volume traces the journey of a company that began in 1867 as the Columbus and Hocking Valley and became a 345-mile railway extending from the Lake Erie Port of Toledo through Columbus and on to the Ohio River Port of Pomeroy. The corporate name has been gone for more than 3/4 of a century, but the Hocking Valley lives on as an integral part of railroad successor CSX. The Hocking Valley Railway, complete with 150 photographs and illustrations, also documents a historic transformation in Midwestern transportation from slow canal boats to fast passenger trains. Historians and railroad enthusiasts will find much to savor in the story of this ever-changing company and the managers who ran it. Follow the link in the video description to pre-order. And coming soon from Tidemark Press, this Pennsylvania Railroad 2025 wall calendar makes a great gift for any Pennsy fan or for yourself. Commemorate this classic railroad with a great photograph every month. Follow the link in the video description to pre-order. And of course, remember to visit our Toy Train Tips and Tricks storefront on Walmart.com. This channel does receive a small commission on qualifying sales generated from these links. And a programming note, from May through July 2024, we will be publishing our long-format videos every other Saturday to allow time to pursue outdoor activities and family time. Episode number 187 is scheduled for publishing on May 11th, 2024 at 2 p.m. Eastern Time. The What's New at O-Gauge series will continue weekly publication every Tuesday at 9 a.m. Eastern to provide you with new product information throughout the summer. That's all for this week, and thanks for watching.